Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am opening the latest Be Happy box from the Happy Planner, and this one is called Grateful Heart, and I am so excited to check out what's inside. I'm loving these dots and the pink and the black and white bold. So are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. I did slice it here, so I'll make it easy to open. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got... We ready? Are we ready? This always makes me nervous, and I don't know why. Like, I'm always trying to, like, not break the sticker, and I don't know. I'm going for it. I'm going to tear this baby off. All right, let's check out what's inside. It's like Christmas. I love the paper. Okay. So this says, be your own kind of happy. And it says, live a life of gratitude. In this box, you'll find the tools to guide you to live a happier life of growth, gratitude, and self-love. Okay, this has what's in there, but let's just go for it. Ooh, okay, the first thing I see is washi. Okay, I have a giant washi collection. And for the longest time, I didn't use washi anymore. And now I'm like obsessed with it. Okay, oh, so we've got pink grid. Love that. This one, let's see. Okay, it has like numbers. I'm gonna pull some of this off. Oh, that's cool. Okay. And then it's kind of got like this whole typed out graphic. Oh, and this really tiny black dot. That is really cool. Okay, I'm just going for things that catch my eye. I'm like, wait, what is, I'm gonna go in order, all right. But I'm eyeballing all the stuff underneath. What is this? Okay, oh, so, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I'm like obsessed with the box that comes in. Okay, so we've got a clear like box with binder clips in big and a little bit smaller, and then these like round little, let me see how to open this, these round little push pins. Oh my gosh, I love like clear acrylic stuff, so this is like right up my alley. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. This is like perfect for a desk. I love those little tiny little push pins. Okay, that's really cool. And this says this and that. So it's like a clear black little case. You can kind of see what you got in there. So I can put like the washi and some pens and clips, and I'm ready to go. And gratitude, happy, I'm wondering, is it gratitude, love, and happiness, or happiness? Yeah, gratitude, love, and happiness. I was trying to like figure it out. Let's open this. It's like a vinyl sticker. I now have like a little collection of vinyl stickers. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with all of them. That's really pretty. I love this blush tone. Everything I'm noticing is very soft with the blush tones and then the bold black. So it's kind of like just a very neutral, pretty palette, and very like stylized and pretty. Okay, so this is a pen loop holder. And I love the lines. Oh, I love that. Ooh, okay, and this is a little template. So you can create bullets and lines on paper. If you're OG, you might have something similar. But I really like this one with just all like bullets and lines. Oh, stickers. Okay. This looks like a notepad. Let's check it out. There we go, that's better. So it says happy and grateful. It's got pretty quotes, and it's actually sticky notes. So those are really cool. Kind of leaves you with that pretty black edge and the quote marks. All right, and then we have happy and grateful, stickers. So I'll flip through these at the end. And then, what is this? Oh, saw something else I'm excited about underneath. hold on. Okay, this says the future begins now. And it's like this blush tone with the silver. I'm just gonna slide this off. So it's a journal. Oh, it's a gratitude layout journal. Let's see what we've got inside. Define your passion. Oh, make yourself proud. Then it's got thoughts, which is all just dot grid. So you kind of do anything you want on there. Okay, and then it's got like the date and reflection, daily gratitude. Reflection, daily gratitude. That's really cool. I love that it's undated and you can just kind of use it, you know, as you want. And then this one says happy and grateful and peaceful. Let's check out the next one. The silver dots and then dots with gray. Be present in the moment. Oh, I love this. It's very modern and simplistic. Inhale, exhale, kind of minimalist vibe. Okay, so that has, let's see, 4 tabs in there. And this I'm excited about. If you have, I have a set of these, which is like a blank monthly. And it's got all the days of the week, but it's got bright colors on it. I love that this one is just really simple, so you can kind of create anything you want with it. So you can use these so many different ways. I've used it for social media. I've used it all kinds of tracking. You could do gratitude. There's so many different things you could do with this. And then it's got lines just to write on the back. This is perfect. So this is the new Grateful Heart box, and this will release on 10/10. I don't have a time, but I'll be sure to update that as soon as I get that info. So be sure to check out the description. Let me show you this a little closer because I know we're going to want to check out the stickers. I'm zooming a little closer so you guys can get a better look at these stickers that are in the box. It's happy and grateful, all very like nude, kind of modern tones. So very just graphic and bold, but also simple, classic, and clean. It just kind of has that whole vibe and combo. So let's see, balance is beautiful. I love this one, plan your dreams. I mean, come on. Every day is a fresh start. I really like this square box. I love that. I love how the lines go through that. So it's like a mix of functional, but also like motivational as well. Oh, I like all these too. These are great. Choose happy, smile often, all the things. Always be you. Be here now. And then we've got new goals. Like that. And then your whole list, gratitude list. I like the hexagons and check boxes. We've got some motivation here. You can if you think you can. Be grateful for small things, big things, and everything in between. You are enough. And then we've got notes, to do, today. So some functional silver words. Oh, I love this. I really like these like just bold graphic things. And they're just so kind of timeless and classic, the color scheme. You are enough. Think happy, be here now. Trust the timing of your life. Oh, these are cool too. So we've got be kind, all of these positive messages. I just love the graphicness of it. The circles, be bold and brave. It's your time to shine. Be kind to all kinds. Be happy and smile. Be good, do good, feel good. Those are pretty. There's so many different ways you can use these. They're great for gratitude. But I'm also seeing them in like a journal or any kind of memory keeping as well. Have a grateful heart. Oh, go offline today. Just start. I can and I will. Invest and rest. Keep going and growing. And then we've got the little arrows here. Dream big, enjoy the little things. I just really like, see how it's like oval with the really straight lines? I just think that's really graphic and fun. And this one too, with the like bold here and then the outline on that side. Oh, these are fun. I love these shapes. They're different shapes too. Like the straight with the rounded, really pretty, and some checklists. Oh, and these two, they're kind of on a slant. And these ovals, and oh, look at the hexagons with the lines. Okay, today I'm grateful for, these are great. Today I'm happy about. Be kind to you here and now, be true, be you. These today boxes are cool. Let me see this. Okay, so just to show you, see how they kind of are cut where it looks like a shadow? Can you see that? Oh, wait a minute, it gets better. Look at that. So it's like already layered and stacked. That's really cool. I'm making marks on my book. Okay, and then we've got notes with graph, and then these really pretty squares with that thin line. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Focus on the bright side. See, it's just got this box within this thin line. I just really like how graphic they are. To do, today, note. Those are great with the silver. Oh, and then we've got some rounded and straight boxes. Those are really cool. And these shapes here are fun too. They're like checklists, but they're kind of oval. Thoughts, I like that. Don't forget, take note, important reminder. And then these little stars, tabs. I don't know, I'm really into this book. To do today. I just like the shapes and the way these lines are going on them. I just think that's really neat. And I'm already thinking like, okay, with the washi, this is gonna look so cool. And I mean, you could really pair it with anything. I mean, you could keep it simple and modern and just use these, or you could add, you know, flowers or watercolors, or, I mean, there's so many stickers you can pair this with. I'm already thinking like, ooh, this would look so good together. Like all of these blush tones with a lot of the flowers that just came out. I'm like, yes. Spread some happy today. Take one step toward your dream today. The thing is you could use any of these books by themselves, but they also pair fantastic with so many of the other ones. Pair, like I'm talking about wine or something and cheese. What is wrong with me? Okay, boxes and flags. Again, with the thin black lines. Gratitude checklist and some other little boxes, but these have like thicker, kind of almost like tabs, you know? So really you could use them like this, or you could flip them upside down and almost use it as a tab, or on the sides. Note to self, and more pretty hexagons with the white key lines in them. Today, focus and relax to do. I love these, they match that washi. Important weekly goals, and they're all numbered. I just like how modern that is. Whoa, sorry. I got excited, I'm moving the book around. Feeling grateful for in these round boxes. And important goals again. Some little bullet dots here. Okay, oops. And boxes with the little page flags. Noteworthy. And that's it. So that's a closer look at the stickers in the Happy and Grateful box. And this will be available again on 10/10. And I will put some more details below. There will be free shipping on your order, I believe, on this day. So I'll be sure to include those details as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you'd hit that like and subscribe so that you can see future videos from me. Thanks so much, you guys. Have a wonderful day.